Sixth grade lesson 4.2 is ratios and rates. And so in the previous lesson, we talked about ratios. So just a reminder, a ratio is a comparison of two values. For example, if I have 3 red chips and 2 green chips, and I'm asked, what is the ratio of green to red? Well, first I need to make sure I go in the right order. They want green to red. So just as a habit, I'm going to put G for green to R for red, and then I will put the numbers down. There are 2 greens and there are 3 reds, and so that is the ratio of green to red. I can write it that way, I can write it this way, or I can write it 2 to 3 ratio. 3 different ways to write it, and I mentioned in the last lesson, I know they're going to teach this to you at some point. Well, here it is. This is the lesson they show that to you, the 3 different ways that you can write your ratios. So Unlock the Problem has us looking at a bird rescue group caring for 3 eagles, 2 hawks, and 5 owls in their rescue center. You can compare the numbers of different types of birds using ratios. There are 3 ways to write the ratios of owls to eagles in the rescue center. That was owls to eagles, and we had 3 eagles and 5 owls. So owls was 5 and eagles was 3. And here they have it for us. You could use words, 5 to 3. You could use it as a fraction, 5 to 3, or with the colon like we did, 5 to 3. Those are the 3 different ways. Surprise, you didn't even know that, did you? Oh, you did. Ratios can be written to compare a part to a part to a whole, or a whole to a part. They want us to write each ratio using words as a fraction and with a colon. So as words, as a fraction, and with a colon. This is what they want us to do. Underline what they want us to do. Circle the information they gave us. We've got 3 eagles, 2 hawks. Oh, I just blocked that number. 2 hawks and 5 owls. I might write that over here too. That won't let me erase. That way I can have up close what, or outside of the words, what those were. It helps. Okay, they want me to compare owls to hawks. I'm going to use the initials, owls to hawks, so I make sure I put them in the right order because it's very frequent that they get switched up. All right, so how many owls do I have? I have 5. How many hawks do I have? I have 2. 5 to 2 ratio, 5 to 2 ratio, 5 to 2 ratio. We're comparing a part to a part. All right, what about this next one? They want us to compare eagles to total birds in the rescue center. Let's do the initials. Eagles to total. Okay, I know the eagles are 3, but wait a minute here. There's nothing that says total in the rescue center. What? Oh, okay, well, let's just add those together. These are all the birds that are there. There's 3, 4, 5, and then 5 more are 10. Total birds in the rescue center. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it. 3 to 10, 3 to 10, 3 to 10 ratio, a part compared to a whole, a total. Whole to a part. Total birds in the rescue center compared to how many hawks? Total birds to how many hawks? Okay, well, I already know now my total is 10. Phew, good thing I know that now. 10 compared to how many hawks? Yes, there are 2. 10 to 2, 10 to 2, 10 to 2 ratio. That's all we're doing on the ratios. I think you guys are getting an understanding that from last lesson and into this lesson. Now we're going to introduce unit rates. Well, rates and unit rates. So a rate is a ratio that compares 2 quantities that have different units of measure. Like, a lot of times it has to do with miles traveled or time or money, stuff like that. Here's an example. I've got 2 hamburgers for $12. So that would be a rate. I got the value of 2 hamburgers, the value of it was $12. So that would be a rate. And a unit rate is a rate from above that makes a comparison to one unit, one item. So above here, I had talked about, oh, I got 2 hamburgers for $12. Okay, well then the unit rate would be, how much does 1 hamburger cost? That would be the unit rate. And then we do all our math and find out, oh, 1 hamburger is $6 unit rate. So let's see all that in action. A restaurant sells veggie burgers. Oh, okay, veggie burger. I really wanted a burger, but okay. Veggie burger at the rate of $4 for 1 burger. That's the rate. What rate gives the cost of 5 veggie burgers? Write the rate for 5 burgers using words as a fraction and with a colon. So all of the 3 ways. Underline what they're asking us to do. Circle the information they gave us. The restaurant sells veggie burgers at a rate of $4 for 1 burger. What is the cost of 5 veggie burgers? Okay. So 1 veggie burger costs $4. 1 veggie burger costs $4. That's the unit rate for one of those items. It costs that much. Unit rate, 1 unit. Okay. So 2 veggie burgers, if 1 veggie burger is $4, then 2 veggie burgers is $8, right? 2 times 4, 8. We multiplied the 2 items by the same number. Okay? Then we have 3 veggie burgers for $4 each. So 4 times 3 is 12. Now we're looking at 4 veggie burgers. It was 1. Now we've multiplied by 4. So if we multiplied this one by 4, must multiply this by 4. It's $4 a piece. So multiply by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 veggie burgers, $16. 5 veggie burgers is 5 times 4, $20. The table shows that 5 veggie burgers cost us $20. So the rate that gives the cost for 5 veggie burgers is cost of 5 veggie burgers, $20 to 5 burgers, $20 to 5 burgers, $20 to 5 burgers. Hopefully those explanations clarify everything enough for you that you can find success at your Sharon Show and on your own. Let me know if you need help.